everyone. Today is the last day. Cool. So, yep, that's gonna be cool. So today we're gonna be packing up all this stuff. So you can see us take down all this. Pumpkin doesn't even know what's about to happen. Don't you, Pumpkin? You don't. Because he's been here for a while now. So, at least like 1.5 days. He thinks he lives here now. That's how he thinks he lives. But no. Why are you sniffing this? Oh, by the way, before I started recording, he was eating rocks and leaves. Why were you doing that? Huh, Pumpkin? Anyway, Lucas is trying to fix this thing. And, other than that, our iPads and phone batteries are. It's not a bad thing, but we're getting through it. I'm tired. So this is Zach. Lucas is still tired. Pumpkin seems happy though. Unless that's it. Yeah, it looks like he's sad. Okay. And Maddie's still playing in the tent. Hello. Say hello. Oh, you said you want to see Mama? One second, guys. I'm sure I fixed that problem. So that's pretty good. Oh, she's trying to open and close the door. Anyway, Pumpkin is loving this back rub. And you just tooted. Toot toot. Okay. Anyway, Maddie seems to Oh, good job. You didn't clothesline yourself. Oh, you trying to play the drum? Yeah? Pumpkin's like, what's going on here? Why does this even exist? Anyway, you guys, sooner or later we're going to start packing up. Stormtrooper helmet. But yeah, this is the last day. This will be a pretty short episode because it's just cleaning up, hanging out a little bit, stuff like that. Maddie. A daddy? Oh yeah, Daddy's still asleep. So Daddy's still asleep. Yeah, so. Okay. So over here we have some work to do. So Maddie, how are you doing? Oh, you love your babies? Why did you close it? Oh, you want us to be quiet so Dad can say. Yeah. Okay, good. Yep, so that's pretty good. Also, we did have a bigger bonfire last night, so sorry you guys, I couldn't put that in there. Really didn't have the time. And the thing was almost done, and I wanted to stay back. So, yeah. So, you're back in Pumpkin? Why are you mad? Oh, that's why. You have yourself chained around a chair. Oh, no. Anyway, we bought some Doritos yesterday, so when you're at the store, that's pretty soon when you're fishing. Yeah, we didn't get any fish yesterday, so kind of sad. I'm gonna miss this campsite. You gotta do what you gotta do. I haven't seen any of those worms today. Not worms, caterpillars. Like, there was like a whole bunch of them. Yesterday, probably because we all coming off their feet, so. Because they attack. In fact, they actually attack. They get mad. Dude, did you guys hear that? It's like, wow. No, but did you guys? There's one. There's one of the caterpillars. Focus. Where is it, guys? It's crawling. Caterpillar. 1 second. I got bit by one yesterday. Yeah. Yeah, they're mean. They may seem like harmless caterpillars, but they're not really. They probably turn into like moths. Or like moths eat close, so they're bad.
Yeah. For the moth.
Pumpkin, stop sniffing.
For the mutated moth last night.
Oh, you guys didn't see that, did you?
I think that mutated moth was the American caterpillar.
Oh, that could have been it. Cause like
The mutated.
because there's like a mutated moth around that lantern right there. He just keep flying around. We're guessing that's what these caterpillars turn into. He looked like a bee, like a queen bee, half like moth. It was like huge. It looked like half hornet.
Half like dragon.
Yeah, half like dragonfly as well.
It's like so weird.
Sounded like
And more than anything, it looks more.
Yeah, 1 second. Focus.
It more looks like a moth than that.
Come on. There you go,
Oh.
focus. So, hey guys. So this campsite was pretty fun. I mean, like, Hogan had fun time here. Didn't you, little puppy?
Wait, maybe we can do a campfire when we get home.
And yeah, I've kind of had enough campfires. Like, I only have like one, but
What is that noise?
I know it's like crazy. It's like sounds like something you would hear from like Stardew Valley or something. Like we're during the rainstorms. Or it's not. You guys hear it? It's really loud.
It's kind of like a honk.
That's more of a honk.
Honk, honk, honk.
That is not. That's a goose. Yeah, or
goose.
geese. That's a goose or a geese. Or geese. A goose or.
Geese or
Here.
That's
Can
a
you
squirrel.
stop? Yeah,
That
that's a
is a
squirrel. That's the bad part.
There's a
Nature's
squirrel
really
there.
loud.
And
Bad part. Okay, that is not nature. Just telling you that. It's like a goose or something.
it's like a
You can
weird
like,
Native American noise.
yeah. So, hey guys, I'll see you when we start packing up. We finished taking down the tent, so that's done. Oh, we only have to put the stuff in the van, so I'll get back when I put this on. So we've picked this thing up, so that's cool. Oh, and Maddie's woken up. Just anyway, guys.
We're packing
See ya when we pick up this big mess. We're picking up the mat now. We're almost ready to go home.
It's almost ready.
Yep. We're taking down this thing now, so which is pretty cool. This caterpillars are really getting annoying though. Oh, your mama right there. Why are you sad? Anyway, here's Pumpkin. Guys, this series is pretty cool so far. So, this 3-episode series is pretty cool so far. Pretty cool. Almost over though, so if on today's episode, you'll complete the series. Hold this up now, so let's go out. Okay, everyone, we're going to inspect this thing. for things. Let me see. Let me zoom in.
This is not unexpected. Come on.
Anything? Doesn't look like it. Nope. Okay, so we're good. Let me go fold this thing, you guys. So, fold this thing. Fold it this way.
You can add some pliers in here. You can get with your play pliers.
Okay, let me do that quick. Be right back while I do that. Okay. Be right back. I'll see you guys when we're ready to go on the van. Then we can end the video. So we're ready to get going. So bye. Thanks for watching our the Devil's Lake series. Check out more of our videos too. Bye. We're back home now. I'd like to thank you all for watching the Devil's Lake series. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like these videos. We are a new channel. I hope you like this series. Make sure to like and subscribe for the channel. And I'll see you guys next time. So yeah, bye. For real this time, bye.